Hey glow-getters! Welcome back to the channel, where we reveal the beauty secrets of your favorite celebrities. Today, we're diving into the natural and radiant glow of Selena Gomez. Selena is known for her fresh, dewy skin and her commitment to self-care. Plus, with her makeup line, Rare Beauty, she's all about enhancing your natural beauty. So, let's dive into Selena's skincare and bronzing routine to learn how she keeps her skin looking so healthy and glowy. Selena's routine starts with hydration, both on the inside and outside. She's spoken about drinking plenty of water throughout the day to keep her skin hydrated from within. For her skincare, Selena loves moisturizers with hyaluronic acid to keep her skin plump and glowing. Hyaluronic acid is a key ingredient for locking in moisture and giving the skin that radiant, dewy look. It's one of the ways she keeps her complexion looking smooth and fresh, even with her busy lifestyle. Sun protection is essential for Selena. She uses SPF daily, rain or shine, to protect her skin from UV damage and prevent premature aging. Selena understands the importance of keeping her skin healthy and protected, so she chooses broad-spectrum sunscreen for the best protection against UVA and UVB rays. Applying sunscreen every day is non-negotiable for her, and it's a great habit for anyone looking to maintain a youthful glow. Selena doesn't rely on heavy tanning, but instead uses bronzing products to achieve a soft, sun-kissed look. For an easy, natural glow, she's a fan of cream bronzers and liquid bronzers that blend seamlessly into the skin. She applies bronzer to her cheekbones, forehead, and jawline to give her face a warm, radiant look. By using these lightweight bronzing products, Selena can add a hint of color without risking sun damage. Of course, we can't talk about Selena's beauty routine without mentioning Rare Beauty. Her brand is all about embracing your natural features. The Positive Light Liquid Luminizer is one of her go-to products to achieve a radiant finish. Selena applies it to the high points of her face, like her cheekbones, to catch the light and add a beautiful, subtle glow. It's perfect for enhancing her bronze look without overdoing it on the shimmer. For Selena, beauty is all about balance and self-care. She emphasizes the importance of getting enough sleep, staying active, and taking care of her mental health. These habits contribute to her glowing skin and overall well-being. Selena has been open about her wellness journey, sharing that taking time for self-care is essential to looking and feeling her best. Recap of the steps for her natural glow. To get that Selena Gomez glow, here's a quick recap. Hydrate with water and moisturizers that contain hyaluronic acid for a plump, dewy look. Use SPF daily to protect your skin from UV damage. Try cream or liquid bronzers for a soft, natural warmth. Add a touch of liquid highlighter to bring out your natural radiance. Focus on self-care habits like good sleep, exercise, and relaxation to maintain a healthy glow from within. And there you have it, glow-getters. That's how Selena Gomez keeps her skin looking fresh, bronzed, and glowing. If you want to enhance your natural beauty like Selena, try these simple tips and let your skin shine. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more celebrity beauty secrets. Stay glowing, and see you next time.